Out of 128 properties that Marriott currently has in India, Courtyard by Marriott Madurai will definitely not be on the top of your bucket list. Allow me to give you a tour of this place through my eyes. Probably it might influence your opinion a bit. Hello viewers, as you know, my name is Akanksha and I've been taking you to the bucket listed as well as the offbeat destinations around the world from my never-ending catalogue. Before we proceed ahead in this beautiful journey, shower some love by subscribing to the channel so that you don't miss on to any such place in future. Surrounded by celebrated downtown attractions, Courtyard by Marriott Madurai is a luxury haven in the city of Madurai. If you're crossing the cultural capital, you can immerse yourself in this 5-star comfort in elegantly appointed hotel accommodations boasting refined design elements, complimentary Wi-Fi, remote-controlled curtains, touchscreen showers, and inspiring views of the city of Madurai. Rooms over here are larger as compared to the others in the area and are brimming with contemporary perks. This place is well suited for business travelers mainly, as they have a provision of a well-functional work desk along with the additional amenities like flat-screen television, touchscreen showers, well-lit mirrors, bathrobes and slippers. You can definitely experience a perfect blend of convenience and functionality as well in this hotel room evidently. Punctuate a full day at work, shopping or sightseeing and then unwind yourself at the end of the day in this 5-star luxury in the heart of Tamil Nadu. Once comfortable in your room, you can proceed to savor delectable international cuisines and creative craft mocktails in the hotel's inviting restaurants and upscale bar. You can try local as well as international cuisines from the menu at their restaurant Madurai Kitchen, where their chefs emphasize traditional culinary techniques and seasonal local ingredients from India. This is their main restaurant where they serve breakfast, lunch and dinner buffets in case you have availed it along with your stay. In terms of quality and taste, I would highly recommend this place if you want to have a great culinary experience along with excellent service. We chose this place for our staycation after a lot of research and it was worth every penny spent on accommodation as well as food. They also have a box office bar named as The Balcony where you can meet your friends or colleagues within the hotel premises. You can sip craft cocktails or order from their delectable restaurant menu for a delicious casual lunch or dinner. The hotel also has a fitness center which is open 24 hours on 7 days a week. It is equipped with latest fitness equipments, gym workout space, hygienic environment and a dedicated instructor. So in case you are a fitness enthusiast, you can utilize the facility without worrying much about your schedule. In case you are visiting this place in pandemic like us, you don't need to worry. They have proper sanitization protocols for luggage and sanitizers available at every nook and corner of the hotel. Once you had your lunch, you can either take the advantage of the coveted location amid the major shopping, entertainment and tourist spots of the city, or you can just opt to have a relaxed evening like us and dive in the luxury and comfort of the hotel. You can avail hotel's room service and just indulge into deep conversations with your partner over a couple of drinks, or enjoy the game of football or cricket with your loved one in case you are a sports enthusiast. For our dinner, we again headed to Madurai Kitchen and the place was completely unrecognizable. You might have to wait till my next video where I will show you the way the hotel has beautifully transformed the look and feel of the place from a well-lit place to a dark and scary one. I will also cover Marriott's most famous M Lounge and the breakfast menu along with the outdoor pool in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.